Canva is now available to our schools within our Classlink page. So in order to access the Canva for Education, the premium account that gives you all the features, the way that you're going to access this is through Classlink. So once you have logged into Classlink, you're going to look for the Canva app that will look like this. And then all you need to do is click on it. There's no extra username or password to remember. The other thing I want to bring your attention to is if you are a teacher that goes between schools or you are a faculty member, you are likely involved in multiple teams within Canva. So what I mean by that is if I come up to the right-hand side of my screen, I can see my name and then I can also see the team I am currently viewing. I am also have the North team available to me. So if you are going to make templates or designs that you want your students to be able to access and to share with them, you're going to want to make sure that you design it on that particular school. So for instance, if I go over to North, now when I create any of my designs and I want to assign this to my students, which will show in later videos, I'm going to make sure that I'm in the right team. And that's really it to get started, is just logging in through ClassLink, and then you can get started using all the Canva premium features.